Hi guys, I'm Susanne Neff, and today I wanted to tell you a little bit about my work with my inner male and inner female. So when I first started working with them, my inner female was really, or my anima was really frail. She was really helpless, she was really childish, and she was just weak, really weak. And she didn't want to have anything to do with my inner male. And my inner male was like a firefighter or a warrior, and he was very lonely. And so they were in two separate rooms. And also, when I first introduced them to themselves, they were really like, they couldn't really do a lot with each other. Like, they didn't have something to talk to each other, or I don't know. So they were really a little bit lost, both of them. And yesterday night, I did another journey to let them meet, and it was really interesting because they were both so much stronger, or at least the inner feminine was stronger, and she would allow the inner male to just take care of her, just let him hold her, and just let her like brush her hair or just talk to her, so that they would just be comfortable and enjoy each other's company. And for that was for me a huge progress. And yeah, just to be able to enjoy each other's company without feeling awkward or something. And yeah, that's something that you can do for your inner marriage to help it progress. Bye guys.